In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with Jotform. By the end, you'll have a form that can securely collect payments, donations, or custom amounts using PayPal, all set up in just a few minutes. Start by logging into your Jotform account and opening the form you want to monetize. From your dashboard, go to My Forms, find the form you want, and click Edit. This takes you into the form builder where all the configuration happens. On the left side, open the Form Elements panel and switch to the Payments tab. Scroll until you see the PayPal options. You'll notice two choices: PayPal Checkout, which is the newer and faster experience, and PayPal Standard. For most use cases, PayPal Checkout is recommended because it offers a streamlined flow and modern checkout features. One quick note about plans. The free Jotform plan supports PayPal integrations, but it does limit you to 25 submissions per month, so keep that in mind if you expect a lot of responses. Go ahead and select PayPal Checkout, then click Continue. You'll be prompted to connect your PayPal account. Sign in with your PayPal email and follow the prompts to authorize Jotform to access your account. This secure authorization lets Jotform process payments on your behalf without you needing to handle sensitive details directly. Once connected, you'll configure your payment settings. First, choose your payment type. Select Sell Products if you want to list items with fixed prices. Choose Collect Donations if you prefer letting users enter any amount to support your cause. Pick User-Defined Amount when you need a custom payment field, like a calculated total elsewhere on your form. If you're selling products, add each item with a clear name and price, and optionally enable quantity so buyers can choose how many they want. You can also layer in shipping fees, set up discounts or coupons for promotions, and define tax if it applies. These fields help you keep pricing transparent and accurate right inside the checkout widget. When your settings look good, click. Continue to confirm your configuration. Finally, click Finish to add the PayPal widget to your form. You'll now see the PayPal element appear in your builder, ready for your respondents to use. That's it, your form is integrated with PayPal and ready to accept payments the moment you publish. If you're on the free plan, keep an eye on your monthly submission count so you don't hit the limit unexpectedly.